There's fire up. Let's see. Up in the back.
I hate it when that happens.
I don't even know how to get to it.
What's a shaft?
See where my bar is pointing to? My pry bar? See that thing right there that's flopped over?
Uh-huh.
That's supposed to go on a little stumpy thing back here.
You mean that floppy thing?
Yeah, that floppy thing is supposed to go on that stumpy thing.
I don't see where the stumpy thing's supposed to be. I don't think you could have hooked that up without this thing getting in there.
I hope you're right. I hope that's...
I don't think you could have, because that's not a whole lot of danglage. It's not like it stretches out.
Maybe. I hope it does something.
I might could get my arm in there. Oh, I see where it goes.
Yeah.
I see the hole. I could do it if you hold it up.
Well, let me...
I can put your shaft in the thing.
I love it when I get assistance. This is no longer, like, rated for children to watch.
It was not going to be, was it?
That's true. It's in, but it's not exactly where I want it to be at in.
Yeah, that's definitely not for children.
I was just literally talking about where the motor's sitting. I wasn't being...
I think that it's great. You crammed it into a structure that was not allowing it to get in. I mean, it's not like you could just slide it in. What? No. You got it in the hole. That's all that matters.
Knock my tippy stick off. Had to clean my dipstick off since I knocked it off into the dirt. Where this is definitely get in there, sterile. That don't look right. Let me turn around that way. Yeah, that looks better. Sterile working environment here.
Yeah. Looks sterile. Clean as a whistle.
My custom adapter there, because this is not the right air filter, but it's also not the right motor for the skid steer. So,
What kind of motor is it?
the motor is come out of your dad's Mustang.
So no wonder it didn't fit. You're putting a square block in a round hole.
As I do. That's how we do it around here.
They must have flunked you in preschool.
Remember, I quit. True story. Remember? That's why my mom's told you I've quit preschool. They didn't want me and I didn't want them. They told me I was antisocial. That's what, actually, they told my parents I was antisocial. Which is bullcrap. I'm plenty social when I want to be. Ain't I?
Yeah.
Alright, now My bigness has to fit back there.
Why has it got to be your bigness? What do you have to do back there?
Remember, I have to put my...
Your shaft in the hole?
Oh, my shaft extends. It's just like a real one. It slides out. Maybe slides is the wrong word, but... Let's get in the direction. There we go. Oh, that's too big.
That's what she said.
Oh, I can see what I'm doing from over here. Oh, that doesn't turn.
They typically don't.
3/4
I don't know how long you've been doing this, but...
Ow! I hit my... Oh, damn it. Wrong hole. That's bull. Well, there's a little...
I don't think it wants to give it up.
It doesn't. Like, it slid on there and now it's gripping.
That's because you twisted it. You're not supposed to do that. You gonna be okay.
It's beating my ass. I don't like it.
Do you know it's not doing anything when you touch that?
The crank is.
The crank might be, but it's not turning anything back here.
Well, it's not turning this because it's just sitting on that.
Why don't you cram your pry bar into the hole of the joint there?
Because I don't want to break my greaser.
You don't want to break your what?
The greaser.
Your grease what?
The grease zert.
What the hell is that?
You
Is that
see
a
that?
technical term?
Yeah, that's what they actually call it.
Zert?
Zert.
Zert.
Like-
Spell it.
You know I can't spell. That's a trick question. See that silver thing right there?
Yeah.
It's got grease all over it?
Uh-huh.
That's
Is that a zert?
That's zert.
That is a zert. And it's a liquid.
I got like 2 whole bolts in here, so it's installed.
As opposed to 2 half bolts.
Well, instead of 4 whole bolts. It's supposed to have 4. And it'll eventually get 4, but for right now, tonight, like, this is installed. I got some wiring to figure out. I got to run a fuel line. Got to do some vacuum lines. Take the chain off. I really hate that exhaust pipe. It makes a hard 90. Not even sweeping 90, like bad.
Like a hard no.
Yes, like solid no. So, I'm gonna leave it like this for tonight, but I'll be back at it tomorrow. First fire up. Thank y'all for watching.
Dog. Oh!